Hello friends, today I am going to show you the recipe of Moriyo Pulao. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some Moriyo, makhana, potato, ginger, chili, carrot, coriander leaves and cashews which are chopped, some almonds, ghee, black pepper, lemon juice, peanuts, black pepper powder, cardamom pods, rock salt and cumin seeds. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of Moriyo in it. Then add 1 to 2 glasses of water. Mix it and now we are going to soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the Moriyo has soaked and now we are going to remove the excess water. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. Let the ghee melt. The ghee has melted and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. With that 4 to 5 black pepper and 2 to 3 cardamom pods. With that chilies which are chopped and ginger which is finely chopped. Mix it and cook them until they are aromatic. Everything is aromatic and now I am going to add carrot and potato which is chopped. Mix it and cook them for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, the carrots and the potatoes are soft. And now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in it. With that, rock salt as per taste. And black pepper powder, half tablespoon. Mix it properly. I mixed it properly and now I am going to add the soaked Moriyo in it. I added the soaked Moriyo and now I am going to add 2 cups of water in it. Mix it properly and now I am going to cover it with a lid and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the Moriyo has cooked and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take another pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. Let the ghee melt. The ghee has melted and now I am going to add some peanuts in it. Mix it and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, the peanuts have roasted well and now I am going to add some makhana in it. With that, chop cashews and almonds. Mix it and roast it for 2 minutes. Everything is roasted properly and now we are going to go to the next process. Now I am going to add the tadka in the Moriyo Pulao. I added the tadka and now we are going to mix it properly. I mixed it properly and now I am going to add some coriander leaves which are finely chopped. Mix it well. I mixed it properly and my Moriyo Pulao is ready to serve and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred it into this plate and now I am going to garnish it with some mint leaves. So this is my delicious and tasty Moriyo Pulao recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.